Everyone, I am Faisal Mangalgiri. Today is 16 December 2021 and our today's topic is polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism is a mechanism by which we can perform a single task in different ways. Polymorphism is a word which is derived from two Greek words that are poly and morph. Poly means many and morph means forms. So togetherly polymorphism is we can call it as many forms. The example for polymorphism is a man who can be a son or a father or a husband or an employee at the same time. There are two types of polymorphism. First one is compile time polymorphism and second is runtime polymorphism. In Java, we can achieve polymorphism by doing method overloading or method overriding. Let us first see first type of polymorphism, that is compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is also known as static polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism can be achieved by method overloading or operator overloading. But Java do not support operator overloading. Let us see what is method overloading. When a class contains multiple methods having same method name, but they contain different parameters, then this situation is known as method overloading. Method overloading can be achieved by taking different number of parameters, or by taking parameters of different data types. Let us see second type of polymorphism, that is runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is also known as dynamic method dispatch. In this process method call to a overridden method can be done at runtime. Runtime polymorphism can be achieved by method overriding. Let us see what is method overriding. Method overriding is a situation in which parent class and child class have same method names and having same parameter list. Then that situation is called as method overriding. During method overriding, execution priority is given to a local method of a class whose object is created. When object of a parent class is created, then execution of method of parent class is done. When we create object of a child class which extends parent class, then method of child class is executed. In this situation, the child class method the parent class method is the parent class method is overridden by a child class method. Before calling overridden method of a child class, we must have to upcast. Upcast is a situation in which reference class of a reference variable of a parent class is referred to object of a child class. For upcasting, we use a variable of class type or a interface type. For example, suppose class A is a parent class and class B as a child class. For upcasting a parent class variable, that is class A's reference variable is referred to object of a class B. In the form of syntax, we can return it as capital A small a equals to new capital B parenthesis and semicolon. During method overriding, a method of a child class is called by using reference variable of a parent class or a superclass. Before calling overridden method by a reference variable of a parent class, we have to create object of a overridden methods class, which is referred by a reference variable of a parent class. Let us see runtime polymorphism with data members. During runtime polymorphism, method is overridden, but not data members. Hence, runtime polymorphism is not achieved by data members. Thank you.